Hello, everyone. I had an idea while I was working on a client's home doing a drywall repair. I made a bubble basically of clear plastic. It was a 6-foot diameter bubble that I created with rubber gloves, left and right hand gloves, depending on if you're right or left handed. And I put a sanding block in the middle of it. I stuck the plastic with the two-sided peel and stick tape to the ceiling. And once I was done with sanding the area down, I enfolded the plastic into itself just to make sure that no drywall dust would escape. And to my surprise, the plastic just grabbed that dust. It just, the dust just like stuck to the plastic. It was great. So anyways, it was an idea that I thought I would share. I think it's something that it would be great if you could find this at Home Depot. And if you're doing small repairs, even homeowners could use this. But it's a great time saver, and the fact that you don't have to put plastic on all the furniture and put a tarp down on the floor. You basically stick this on, clean up is easy, and you're ready to move on with priming and painting after that. So let me know if you guys like it, and have a great day.